Looking to revamp your Twitter profile to focus on medical and health topics? Let's guide you through the process step by step. Begin by locating your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, find the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile and click on it. This will take you to the profile editing page where you can make modifications. Scroll down the page until you see the option to edit professional profile. Click on this to enter the professional profile editing section. Within the editing options, locate and click on Category. This will enable you to specify the category related to medical and health. In the category selection, search for medical and health, and once found, select it to align your profile with these themes. Once you've chosen medical and health, finalize your changes by clicking on the Save button. Your Twitter profile is now tailored to showcase medical and health content effectively. Congratulations on successfully switching your profile to focus on medical and health topics. Enhance your online presence and connect with your audience with valuable health-related content. Thank you for watching.